Hello, everybody. I could say I'm back, but that would be a bit hard to say because it's been a really long time. I haven't stopped working though, so if you notice, the thing that I'm wearing is actually a concept design from my last video. So I've been working on that this whole time, and I'm really bad at videoing what I do. When I do it, I just think, and then I do it, I don't talk about it, I don't video it, which is a bit of a problem if you're trying to, do any YouTube type things. But luckily for me, I did record a pretty fair amount of the process of building this. I just didn't really post the videos because I don't know, I didn't really feel like it. But if you would like those videos, I can certainly make that happen, because this is the first thing I've ever designed completely and then printed out myself. So I'm pretty excited about it. I think it looks cool. It's very comfortable, very functional, and this is again part of my Star Wars project, and I have finished the fabric portion of that one as well, which you don't know about at all. So I've got an entire costume. I've got, hold on just a second. I've got this. I've got a lightsaber because it's super freaking awesome. But I just didn't record the process of making any of this stuff. If you would like that, I can do it. If not, we can just move on and, do something else, which is completely fine, because, I haven't stopped making War Robots videos. Again, if you want to watch those, I can put a link to the channel I'm doing it on, because it's, part of that Clans channel. It's a Hood TV, so I'll put a link to that somewhere in the corner or down in the description, or I'll do both because options are great. So yeah, just wanted to give a little update because I noticed it had been literal years since I'd done something. So I am still alive, unfortunately, and I've moved, so it's great. I don't have a desk, only a bed. So very comfortable, but this carpet is really spongy. Yeah, so it's not terrible to sit down on. So anyway, yeah, hope you guys are doing well. And I just thought I'd check in, even if no one sees this, that's alright. Just putting it out there. You guys have a good day.